Morning!
Okay, so para walang energy So while waiting for our judges, let's have our extra band to give us some intermission number. So palakpakan naman muna dyan, pampagana. What's up, what's up? What's up?
What's going on? I say, yeah, 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 yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I say, yeah, 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 yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? What's going on? And I say, yeah, 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 yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I say, yeah, 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 yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? I said, hey, what's going on? What's going on?
Okay, ayan. So, thank you, Ex-Laban. So, ulit, no? Mahilig ang isa ng ating Mr. and Miss Intramural. Isa pa ba? Isa pa ba? Bring me. Okay, so, for Unit 1, ready na ba? Unit 1, ready na?
Sir! Sir, sapatos.
Ready na? So, tatagin ko dito sa stage, okay? Ayan. So, Unit 1. Unit 1. Bring me pinakamagandang picture ng ESLA.
Oh!
Hindi ka siya ba? Hindi ka siya ba? Bring me pinakamagandang picture ng ESLA. Ayun na, sa mga grade 10, mga Amy. So, ano masasabi mo mga
Na-offended daw si Ma'am JB.
about giving pictures? May objection ba for introduction? Okay, ayan. So, thank you Unit 1 for participating. Now, let's move to Unit 2. Nasaan kayo? Ayun na, isa pa. Unit 2, nasaan kayo? Okay. Bring me student na kayang mag-twerk sa harap.
Oh!
Masyadong may mga ating mga students, ano? Unit 3. Ready na, Unit 3?
Ano po maglalaro?
For Unit 3, bring me pinakamatandang teacher ng ESMA. Go!
Dapat nandito si Sir Jerry.
Ano?
Si Sir Joel,
Sino?
ang gas niyo po pala.
Higashito. Clue? Gusto niyo ng clue? Clue, nakahawak siya ng payo. Kung yung gusto niyo naman sa mas matanda, clue, umiinom siya ngayon. Okay, so Sir Johnny, age limit po?
I'm 50. You know what? For us gentlemen, kung tatanungin mo ang age ng mga babae, they will never reveal you. Kaya ako nang mag-aako sa kanila. So, that's how gentleman we are, di ba? Boys?
Thank you, Sir Johnny. So pag sinabi kong Sir Jo, isigaw ni Sir Jo! Sir Jo! Ayan. Magpapakabot mo yung uniform. Ngayon, kung dinala niyo yung pinakamatanda, dahil naman yung pinakabatang teacher ng EDSA.
Sir Philip. Ayun. Oh.
Ma'am JB, AGB.
18. Ang pinakabata sa akin ay si Sir Philip.
Sayang.
Parang pinagkakita ko ng totoong kuya na ako ang pinakabatang teacher dito sa EDSA. Okay. Okay, so thank you for each unit for participating sa ating Gcash yun. Pinanantay mga bigan mamaya. Alright, ayan. Okay. So to officially begin with our program for today. Good morning, St. Louis School of Aurora Hill. Waking up a beautiful morning. So today's forecast is as high as 24 degrees. But more importantly, the sun is shining. Are we excited today?
Yes.
Again, are we excited today?
Yes.
How about you, partner? Excited ka ba today?
So much. Very excited. Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to one of the most awaited highlights of the school year, the search for Mr. and Miss Intramurals 2025. I'm your host, Pete Lawrence Mupalar. And I am Janet Lasana. We are honored to journey with you for a day with faith, Holland, confidence, truth, and non-security.
And of course, this year's event is anchored on a powerful theme: Unleash the Magic with Lanyas, Connect, Compete, and Celebrate. Okay, but before we begin, let's warm up the school grounds with some Hogwarts-style house spirit. So when we call your unit name, let the school feel your jaw-dropping and earth-shattering yell. Kaya ba? Kaya ba? So, each unit, kindly ask your drummers to prepare your yells. Let's go, let's go.
Right, so let's start with the brave and bold Unit 1 Gryffindor.
ERIFFIMBORS.
Okay, up next, the wise, the witty, Unit 2, Ravenclaw. Rose malakas, Rose madiskarte. Up next.
Okay, how about the clever and ambitious Unit 3 Slytherin?
Yay! Oh!
Why do they have a stick?
Thank you, Unity Slytherins. And last but not the least, the loyal, and hardworking Unit 4 Hufflepuff. So once again, Louisians, make some noise! And speaking of Hogwarts houses,
Wag mo nang uli dito! Wag mo nang uli! Saka lang tambal mo!
Boy, bakit ako ano?